Hello guys! Today I want to show you one of several quick mocap animation techniques. I will be using an AI service, Cascadeur and Blender software. You can see Plask AI on my screen. In my work I often use this service. It allows me to create animations from videos like Rococo, Deep Motion, Radical, Open Pose and Move. For beginning, we need to have the original video. In my example, I have two videos. This will be two parts of the same animation which I will concat. First of all, drag the mannequin into the workspace. Next, I download T-Pose. This is required for Cascadeur. Okay, I'm uploading a video to the library, just dropping it on this panel. Plask prompts us to edit the video and select some options. Just leave all default settings, click on Extract and set the name. Alright, in the panel, drag the animation onto the mannequin, right-click and export the FBX file. I repeat my action again because my animation has two parts. There is no moment in this video when an empty object is added. It's object that will be animated for translation. I first import one part of the animation, then the second part. In Blender, I'll be adjusting the animation actions for translation and rotation. In short, I'll create a root motion from a locked motion. Due to the fact that our skeleton is identical, I didn't engage with non-linear tracks, but simply copied the keys from the second part to the first loaded part. After I adjusted the animation to the translation frame by frame. This process can take a long time.
3 weeks later.
Now we come to polishing the animation improvements in Cascadeur. Cascadeur is a pretty handy tool for animating bipedal characters and any multiple legs. At first, I save the project and import the model. It's a T-Pose mannequin from Plask. At second, push the Rigging Mode button and select Quick Rigging tool. You can see a window in which it is very easy to retarget the bounce point by point. It's similar to how we do it at Mixamon. Just move the desired bone to the point. When you are done with the body, you can move to further top and repeat the process for the arms. Click on the big blue button. Now we have a rigged mannequin, however it's not animated. Therefore, we uploaded our animation, which was preparing in Blender for a long time. Select foot bone and press combination Ctrl-Shift-N. Thus, we have created a new track for foot. Now we find the moment when the foot touches the ground and must remain motionless until the foot begins to move. Remove all selection keys and insert custom keys among them that will look good. Press F to set key. Repeat this over and over till the result is good. Select Arrange and select an interpolation mode. This is very important because the wrong mode can screw up the animation. And when you are happy with the result, you can export the animation to Unreal. Thanks for watching. See ya!